This is a brief sketch of the history of the problem that is the subject of this poem. I have endeavored to free this subtle problem from the complexities of philosophical proofs and to dye it in imaginations, colors, so that it may become easy to understand and reflect upon this reality. This preface is not meant to provide a commentary on the poem, but merely to provide a road sign to those who are not already familiar with the munitions of this reality. I am certain that this purpose will be served by the above lines. There is no need to say anything about the poem from a poetic point of view. The poetic imagination is merely a means of drawing attention to the reality that the pleasure of life, the individual capacity of the ego, is bound up with its affirmation, fortification, and expansion. This point will serve as a prologue to the understanding of this reality of the problem of life after death. Dr. Muhammad Iqbal.